Good morning, everyone. This is my second day at VLOGMAS. So I just got up early, made my bed, and now I'm in the bathroom brushing my teeth, washing my face, and I'll be applying my products soon. After that, I'll just go around the house and do some work before going on the road.
Ryan Little.
This is a product I know for a fact work because I've been using it for a while now. This is actually my second bottle, and as soon as it done, I go on Amazon go buy a next one. But I recently added a new moisturizer and serum to my routine, which I'm just experimenting at the moment, so cross my finger that it works. Hi guys, my name is Michaela. Hi guys, my name is Michaela and welcome back to my channel. So the plan was to go on the road today to shop for Christmas decoration, but matcha gone, so our plans changed. So instead, today I will be restocking my fridge and making a list of things that I'll be doing for the next 24 days. Is that no way? So I'm currently in the process of reorganizing my life, and I'm starting with my surrounding first. So what you're seeing here is a seasoning packet I bought on Amazon. It holds exactly 20 seasoning container. The different shaped one that you're seeing right now, I bought those from Century in Oasis Plaza at Spanish Town. I'm currently going by the philosophy you only live once. So if you want to buy something, buy it. If you want to try something new, try it. Just live life with no regrets. And that's what I'm doing right here. I bought all of these containers. And after I bought the containers, I went downtown and I bought one whole heap of seasoning. One whole heap. But yeah, it was worth it. Normally I just buy a mix of seasoning because you know that I've looked at everything. But I said I wanted to try something new. I'm gonna do it and I'm happy with the results. The seasoning holder also came with all of these labels. I think there were 10 sheets of paper with 40 blank sticker. Yeah, that was it. It came with 40 blank sticker and 10 sheets of paper with different labeling from all over the world. And right here I was using the funnel that it came with, but the season wasn't going through, so I ditched it and decided for just pour it in. That works. Shelves and the containers I bought. I buy some airtight container. I'm sitting on Amazon and I thought like I had a vision for them, even though that's not what they were intended to do. So yeah, I'm gonna buy that, and I bought the refrigerator container. So yeah, I'm just going to wash all of these and put them in the fridge. Well, stop them and put them in the fridge. Downtown with a list of things I wanted to buy because I already counted out how much things I'm gonna need to actually fill all the spaces, but I didn't get everything. So in the next 2 weeks I'll go back, restock, and buy the additional things.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it
will be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
I also bought these on Amazon. It was about $20 for one, and it holds 18 eggs. It comes like a little drawer that you put in the fridge whenever you want a egg. You just pull it out, take out the egg and lock it back. And I find it really convenient because now I have more space in the fridge. I normally keep my eggs in the fridge door, but since I have these jar now, I can keep other things in the fridge door like cheese, milk, and Alaska. If you know me, you know. This thing right here that you're about to see right now, I don't have much to say about it. It give me a headache. Yeah, I measure it. It looked like it fit, but it never fit. Actually, I had to put it over the other side. And on top of that, It was just one leap of thing. I feel like one of my brain cells didn't stop work when I start do that. Look at this thing. Why is it that hard? Why is it so complicated? Just easy 1, 2, and then it should have got in the fridge. It have sticker, screw, zip tie, all kind of thing. I just couldn't bother. But at the end of the day, I did it because you know I'm smart even my brain cell now work good. So okay, let me see if I can explain how I use this. Stick the sticker up on there, so then must stick the plastic something upon the sticker. And I thought then the only thing I would have to do is just screw it in the fridge, but that never worked out. So eventually I get frustrated and decided to alright, may I use a zip tie. So I say, alright, may I use a zip tie now? Only find out I'm gonna put it on 2. I'm gonna zip tie it on 2 separate ends. Like seriously though, how that work out? The thing is literally small, like 3/4. No, not 3/4, 1/3 of the thing. And me put it on the 2 end them. At that point I was just fed up. I didn't drop asleep for a couple of minutes or about an hour. And then I came back and I did it. These right here are the airtight containers. I hate cleaning up meat to cook. If it's a case where I have to clean up the meat to cook, I prefer just cook tin food or just don't cook at all. So what I decided to do was to clean up all the meat at once, store them in the airtight container, and then put them in the fridge so that when we're ready for cook, just pull it, tar it, and season and cook it. No leap of problem. What you're seeing here is the final thing. Overall, I'm pleased with the result. If I feel like there are any changes to make over time, I'll just do it. But I'm very happy with the results right now. Everything look clean.